Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stops working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example. So you can force restart it just by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, long enough until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and wait. As you can see, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. Let's keep pressing the power button. Okay, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. We've got the developer's logo. I felt the vibration, which means that we just successfully soft reset our device, and in a second it will be restarted fully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.